สดบายดีพ่อแม่พี่น้องวันนี้ก็มาเฮ็ดคุกกิ้งเนาะขัวไก่สิใส่เฮ็ดข้าวจีหรือว่าไก่แซนด์วิชข้าวจีไก่เนาะข้าวจีไก่แซ่บอยู่ได้เนาะใส่หลายแนวอยู่ใส่เกลือใส่แป้งนัวใส่น้ำซีอิ๊วเนาะใส่หัวเทียมว่าหัวเทียมเขามาถ่ายเอาตัวมิดไว้ถ่ายมือเปื้อนมันติดมือแล้ววันนี้ก็มาใส่บาร์บีคิวสไปซี่บาร์บีคิวฮัทสไปซี่ซอสแล้วก็ซิลลี่ซอสน้ำสีละซาใส่น้ำอีกสีละซาใส่น้ำตอนนี้น้ำสีละซาใส่น้ำหูสิน้ำสีละซาใส่น้ำเป็นสีละแล้วจำนวนนี้ก็สิเอาให้มันสีสุกนิดนึงก่อนแล้วสิเอาอันนั้นหัวผักบัวลงเนาะหัวผักบัวกับอันนั้นกับหัวเห็ดกับเห็ดนี่เนาะเห็ดแล้วก็ put more onion and mushroom put it in chicken and spicy sauce and look at that looks good man. Then I gotta put dry chili pepper in the soup. I've got dry chili pepper over here. Look at that dry chili pepper. Chili pepper, and I put 1 spoon. Look at that, 1 spoon dry chili pepper. It's good, very spicy. See, stir it up. See it going. See, that's good. Now I gotta put put mushroom and onion, chopped onion. Put it back over here. Is mushroom and chopped onion. Chopped onion is on the bottom. Okay? So how about it? It's a little bit more. It's a little bit more. Okay. Let's begin. 10 minutes.มันคุกก่อนมันcook really cook. Let me see. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's good. That is good, man. It tastes really good. Wait 1 more minute. Stir. Should it go sweet spot? You should have got put in sandwich. This I got put in sandwich. See sandwich right here? Look at this sandwich. ข้าวจีปาเต้ไก่ข้าวจีปาเต้ไก่2ก้อนเนี่ยก้อนใหญ่ข้าวจีปาเต้ This chicken sandwich I got cut open half, then I put in here. Okay, really soon. Now I gotta put onion and mushroom. Look at that. Stir them up now. Camera is not good. My cameraman is not here today. think he could work out. Come on, man, could work out. Like that. Take about maybe 2 minutes and turn it up and ready to put in mix sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Good, huh? See? Look at that. We good? Really good, isn't it? Look at that. Looking good. Looking really good. I'll wait about 1 more minute. And turn it off. Looks good. See? Just 1 minute. Oh, eat with rice good too, no? Make sandwich, chicken sandwich. Look this. Put one here, open half and put in there, and eat it. Okay, I'm done now. Bye. See you next time. Wait, 1 more minute. See you next time now. Okay, look good now, huh? Okay, bye bye.